Hi there, this is Steve with another Excel tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to learn how to divide in Excel. And we're going to divide using a formula which is very simple, and it's only going to take me a minute or two to show you. So without further ado, we'll dive right into an example. And here we have a very simple example. We just have 10 and 5, so we're going to divide 10 by 5. And if you want to do that math in your head, you know that the answer of 10 divided by 5 is 2. So there are two ways we can do this. The first way would be to go somewhere else in our spreadsheet and create a formula that says equals, and then type in the numbers 10 divided by 5 and hit enter. That's going to give us 2. And that's an easy way that you can just play around with Excel and sort of use it as your own personal calculator. And you'll notice that it puts that formula up there. Another way that you can do this, which is the way that you're going to want to do this in Excel so that you can have formulas doing your work for you, is you're going to start with your equal sign again, because that's how you start a formula. And then you're going to go select this cell. And notice it puts that cell reference in there, A1. You could also type in A1, but to me it's easier to just select it. And then you're going to hit the /, which is the division sign, and then you're going to select this cell. And you can click on it like I just did, or you can actually use your arrow keys, your left arrow key, to select that cell as well, and it does the same thing. When you're done, you're just going to hit enter, and you have the same thing. It just gives you the 2. And that's really all there is to division in Excel using a formula. So I hope that was helpful. I know that's a really short video, but now you know how to divide in Excel. Go do some division. If you found the video helpful, please click like, subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more, and please check out the description below because I have a bunch of courses on Excel that can take you from beginner to pro in a very short amount of time with the least pain possible. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.